Dip your feet in this water and watch what happens 20 minutes later. Awesome! Fungus infection on the nails, or onychomycosis, is the most common nail alteration and is responsible for about 50% of all nail infections. But what causes nail fungus? As the name implies, the disease is caused by fungi, tiny parasitic organisms that are neither a plant nor an animal. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, and feed on keratin, which is the main protein of nails, hair and skin. Nail fungus is a cause of overproduction of keratin in the nails, making them thicker and separating from their bed. The doctors say it cannot be true, but this kills the mushrooms right away. If you notice that you have the infection, you should remain calm as there are very effective natural remedies. All you need to do is immerse your feet in one of the following preparations. 1. Yogurt is one of the best cures for fungal infections that are generated on the fingers and toenails. Yogurt is basically a living bacterium. It has friendly microorganisms that help destroy infections. You can dip your feet or simply rub your feet with yogurt and do not touch until it dries. At the end you should rinse with cold water. 2. If you are going to wear closed shoes, you can eliminate potential bacteria using a mixture of 3 parts of sodium bicarbonate for 1 part of cold water. Apply regularly. You should let it air dry. 3. You can also mix hydrogen peroxide with water and immerse your feet in that solution. This eliminates any yeast infection and prevents it from spreading. It is the perfect liquid to destroy fungi and bacteria. Only add 100 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1 liter of distilled water. The feet should remain submerged for 20 minutes.